fellow memoir writers. I'm on day 28, 4 weeks into writing my memoir. And I thought today we'd talk a little bit about dialogue and specifically indirect dialogue. When I am writing, especially first draft, I will look at a scene and have memory of the conversation and maybe a few words I can put into quotes. But we don't have to put quotations for every conversation. For example, we could say, Aunt, well, I'll use this one. It's true. My grandma always said that the kitchen wasn't clean till the floor was swept. Now, if I don't know exactly what word she said, I don't have to use any dialogue, quotation marks, anything like that. I can just writing. And she believed this, and she told me that. So you can put a few words into quotation if you remember them, but you can talk about the conversation in a way that's fairly specific without putting the dialect takes in. And one of the things that I find is that when I'm doing a first draft, I'll have a lot of indirect, well, like I'm not exactly sure what's said, but I'm going to write down what I remember. And the brain is an amazing thing. Sometimes the next day, I don't want to rewrite everything, but sometimes to get into my writing before the next day, I go back and read what was I working on yesterday, trying to get myself into that headspace. And sometimes I'll remember new things because our brains are amazing. And I'll be able to add some details about things she wore or what she sounded like. I get deeper and deeper with different iterations. So if something from my memory pops up that's specific and makes me be able to let those characters come alive on the page, I want to capture those right away and write them down. So even though I'm not going to go back and re-edit, I will go back and add things. And sometimes something will come to me and something like, oh, I was writing a couple days ago and now I remember it was this or that. And I'll go back and either make a note on the pages, either on my computer or in my notebook, because we want to capture those things. And, the way a person speaks to you, some cadence, some phrase they use, and direct and indirect quotations, direct quotations and indirect quotations are all part of the process. Good luck writing your memoir and good luck with your dialogue if you're using direct or indirect, and I suggest you use both. Happy writing. See the links below if you'd like to take our memoir course or our Write a Gift course, or you'd like our free download on how to find your story and begin your memoir.